Hello everyone. I am here to share a journal I made for my cousin Trina. You all know her as Katrina on all the groups, but I call her Trina. I made her a journal a while back, but she's got that thing completely jammed full and it is overflowing, so I thought she needed a new one, so I made her a new one. And I just wanted to say off the top that thank you so much for everyone that come over here from Rachel's channel. I appreciate it so very much. And I just am overwhelmed and I'm so thankful. And as for, I had another issue about a bunch of ads on my channel. And for that, I'm sorry. I've tried to fix that. I don't know a lot about the editing and everything over here on my channel. I just, you know, you get the real deal because I don't know how to edit, cut out things, and put words on and all that fancy stuff. So, yeah, it's the real deal here. And I know I repeat myself a million times, and I try not to do that. That's something I have to work on. And, yeah. I don't know what else to say about all that. I'm so sorry. I do pay for a subscription, on my YouTube for when I'm watching YouTube. I don't see all those videos, but I pay monthly for that. So I'm not sure exactly what ads and everything are being put on my videos, which I know, some have to be put on there, but hopefully they aren't overloading my videos with all that. So, yeah, let's get into the journal. I'm sorry about all that, but I wanted to get all that out, and I'm really sorry about all the issues. This journal is 9 by 6, 9 by 5.5 actually. And this piece right here is from this tablet. It's a Michael's tablet, Michael's brand. And Trina seen it and she liked that piece of papers. That's the only one I had. And this I actually got from my friend Michelle. And so I used it on the cover of her journal. I used a couple pieces throughout the journal too, but this is a 2-signature journal, and I tried to leave a lot of space for her to tuck and write and all that good stuff. And I just added this little creativity takes courage right here, backed on some of this little, whatever this is. I don't know, because I forget my words. That's another thing. I forget my words, and then I say things, like, this is from this person when it's really that person. And so from now on, I'll just say who's in here, and I'll link their Etsy shops below, because they got some amazing things on their Etsy. There is, like, Rachel Creations, or Roxy's Creations, Rachel, in here, and my Porch Prints, and Artie Mays and Tracy Fox collab tags. I can't think of anybody else that might be in here right offhand, but this is made from chipboard, and I just put some canvas on the spine. I sewed around it, put some corner tags on there, and used some seam binding and the Tim Holtz closure, so you can just push it down and wrap that around like so. And then I left this super long so she can untie it as she gets it fatter, because her other one's like, ah! Her other one, I'm not kidding, is like this. She's got so much in it. Okay, inside is some more of that paper, and I coffee dyed some tags and sewed around most of my tags. This is vintage from a wedding. This is a piece from a vintage wedding dress that Miss Vonnie sent me a while ago, and I just love it, and I keep making ruffle out of it. And there's this tag. And over here I did some stamping as well. And oh, I love this. I think this is Rachel's paper. I have so many that I print out that I love, and then I get all confused when my video starts. I'm like, oh, because I get so excited, and then I say all the wrong things, and oh my goodness. But like I said, I don't know how to edit at all. So, yeah, I try to correct myself in my description box, but that doesn't always work either. But I try my best, ladies. I'm so sorry. Like I said, you get the real deal over here. I love this. And Trina loves clocks, too. And over here, a little flip. But I try to give a shout out to everyone that I do use because I just love all their stuff. It's so beautiful and gorgeous. I did some faux stamping with my corrugated board that I usually do. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I forget sometimes. All depends on what I'm doing. And this green paper right here is paper that I got at my local hardware store, and it's this paper. I don't know what you call this. I think it's for painters or something. It's really thin, and I just love it. But I got it at my local Bayview hardware store, and yeah, it's really nice. I like it a lot. And I didn't put anything in the bag because Trina wants to be able to stuff this herself, so I just did some collaging on there. She does a lot of writing, so I just left a lot of writing space. My dogs are in the background, of course, going crazy because I want to do a video. Get some little tabs. Little belly band here. I know this is Tracy and Artie Mae's collab tags. I just did a little snippet belly band there. This is just one of my little tags I made. And this right here came from Irene. I love that. Love that tag. And this little page is out of one of my flower books that I got laying around here, and I just thought it was gorgeous, so I gave this one to Trina. Little fabric ruffles, and this little tag, and these little pockets. This one opens, so she's gonna have a lot of space for tags and or writing and stuff. And this is a little envelope. I just put this on the front so she can write on there. And that is Edith Holden pages. I love this. So pretty. Pretty, pretty brother. Yes, I love these. I'm pretty sure those are Rachel's. Sorry, Rachel, if I said things are the wrong thing last time. Oh my goodness. My porch prints, I'm pretty sure. But I'll stop saying that because I don't know for positive that I'm right, and I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. This is an old letter from 1958. And let's put this there. And I just tucked that on there. And over here, I got another journaling tag. And I did a lot of sewing, like I think I said that already. In here, little tag for a tuck spot right there for her. And this little tag. A little to-do list over here. And I guess check with the napkin decoupaged on, or glued on. I don't decoupage it. And yeah. Here is a stuffed tag that I made. And instead of leaving it loose, I just glued it in and made it a tuck spot. I love this paper too. So pretty. A vintage envelope, so she can tuck things in there. And I just collaged this on here because it was very fragile right there, and I didn't want it to rip. And I just sewed it on with some fabric, linen fabric, some collaging here, and these two tags. I think I have another one of these in this book. It's coming up soon that I doubled. I don't know why I did that. I might take it out and redo it. A vintage letter here. And this is one of my snippet things that I made the other day while I did on my video. And this flips out. And this has got a big old tag in here that says friends. Hopefully you can read it. It takes my eyeballs a little bit to focus on this. I don't know why, but it's hard for me to focus on those tags. Another tag from that kit. A little snippet that I made. Cluster, whatever you want to call them. This comes completely out, so she can write here. And here's the text. Here it is. It's right there. I'll take that out and put something else in here. I don't know. Like I said, sometimes I repeat myself, and I know it gets annoying, and I'm very sorry for that. And here I put a little key and a button hanging off there. Because I just forget my words and stuff when I'm on these videos. I don't know why. And then I forget what I said, and you all know how that goes. I know some of you ladies do the same thing, and I know it's annoying to some people, but I try to fix it. I work on it every day. Every time I do a video, I try to work on it. Oh my goodness. Lincoln! My dog just knocked over my work glass Tim Holtz plate thingy. Scared him to death. Scared me. You're okay, buddy. This is a tuck spot. Now he's all scared and he's going all the way over to the other side of the room. It's okay. Poor little buddy. Just did some collaging right here. Some paper. Ruffle, I should say. And this is a pocket. I just didn't put anything in it, so she can put whatever she wants in it. And that was one of my little min collages that I did the other day. I love him. So cute. But yeah, that is that on that. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And thank you so much, like I said, for subscribing and sticking with me on my channel and helping support my channel. I love you all so much, and I will have another video soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.